I'm Justin Lewis, U.S. History teacher here at Canal High School, and my nominee for Student of the Month is Jade Harkema. Just as Ms. Fritz had said, a lot of the same adjectives that you could use for almost any of the students here. I even jokingly, I pulled out my card, I was showing her, I actually wrote humble down. So I'm not just stealing this from everybody else, but Jade is incredibly humble. Despite having the highest grade in her class, you wouldn't know it because she wouldn't tell you unless you asked her. And then in which case she'd have every right to tell you that because she's just on the ball. She's smart. She will ask questions that will help the class as a whole. Always on task. Always just a bright part of the room. Participates well in discussions. Always has her work done. I mean, checks all the boxes that a teacher would want you to check. But in addition to that, conscientious. I think that's one of the best words that I can use because anything that she does, she puts effort into it, and she does it because she thinks it's the right thing. In her writing, a lot of times in history, we have to write about some topics which are up for debate, and when she makes her points, she makes them with a lot of what I can tell is a lot of heart. So putting some of your own emotion and your own heart into your work is always something that teachers like to see. And whether you like my class or not, you always laugh at my jokes, which is awesome because they're so funny and nobody else laughs. So I appreciate that you give me that little ego pump. So Jade Harkema.